Hi, welcome to GK and Maths. Exercise 1.1 Matrices and Determinants. First question. Let A is equal to, first subdivision, let A is equal to minus 3, 4, 6, 2. Matrix, the first given matrix taken as minus 3, taken as A is equal to minus 3, 4, 6, 2. We are asked to find the adjoint of the given matrix. We know that adjoint of A is equal to Aij whole transpose. What is this Aij? Aij is the cofactor matrix. So we know that Aj is equal to Aij whole transpose. In this video, we are going to see the shortcut of Adj of A for 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 matrix. Now to find the Adj of A, we find Adj is equal to interchange the diagonal elements. So the first A11 element minus 3 is given as 2 and A22 element given as minus 3. The non-diagonal elements, this is the non-diagonal elements, we just change the sign of the non-diagonal elements. The numerical value is unaltered. Plus minus minus plus. This is the adjoint of A for a 2 cross 2 matrix. So, first sum completed. Second question, we take the given question. Let A is equal to first row 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 7, 2. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. We are going to find Adj of A for this 3 cross 3 matrix. Now, in the rough column, write the elements of the matrix 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 7, 2. Now, to find the shortcut, we are going to rewrite the first 2 columns as it is. So, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 7. Next, first step, we have written the first 2, repeated the first 2 columns. Now we repeat the first 2 rows. 2, 3, we repeat the first 2 rows. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second row, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Now to find the shortcut, I am going to strike out the first row and the first column. We know the formula to calculate the Adj of A. Adj of A is nothing but Aij whole transpose. So, we will simplify the given elements column wise. So, how to simplify? 4 into 2, 8 minus multiply 7 into 1. So, gives us 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. We know that Adj of A is equal to transpose of the cofactor matrix. So, we are going to simplify column wise and write it row wise since the transpose is taken. So, first element we get 1. Now, coming to the second operation, here 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 7 into 1, 7 minus 3 into 2. So, we get 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So, second element is over in the first row. Now, coming to the next operation, 3 into 1, 3 minus 4 into 1. So, we get 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. First row elements we have completed. So, first what we have taken? We have taken the first 2 columns. We have simplified row column wise and written it as row wise. Now, when we want to write the second row, we take the next 2 columns here. Now simplify. So, we get 3 into 1 is 3 minus 3 into 2, 6. We get minus 3. Similarly, 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4 minus 3 into 1. So 4 minus 3, we get 1. Next, 1 into 3 is 3 minus 1 into 2 is 2. So 3 minus 2 again is equal to 1. So we have calculated the next two columns. We have calculated the next two columns, column wise, operated the column wise and written it row wise. Next, what are we going to do? We are going to take the last two columns. Take the last two columns. Simplify the last two columns. So now this element is 3. Taking the last two columns, 7 into 3, 21. So 7 into 3, 21 minus 3 into 4. So 21 minus 12 we get is equal to 9. You understand? Next, 3 into 3 we get 9 and 9 minus 7 into 2, 14. So we get minus 5. Next, 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 4, 8 minus 3 into 3, 9. 8 minus 9, we get minus 1. So we have found what is adjoint of A. So this is the shortcut method. Once again, let me repeat. So to find the edge of A using the shortcut method, we write the elements in the given matrix as it is 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 7, 2. Now repeat the first two columns. So when we repeat the first two columns, we get 2, 3, 3, 4, 7. Next we repeat the first two rows. So 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Now next step, we are going to delete the first row, first column, then simplify column wise and then write it row wise, since we know edge of A is Aij whole transpose. Now coming to the third sum, let A is equal to given matrix. So what is the given matrix here? 1 by 3, 2, 2, 1 first row, minus 2, 1, 2, third row 1, minus 2, 2. So now coming to this third question, given A is equal to 1 by 3 times of the first row element 2, 2, 1. The second row element is minus 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 2 and 2. Now this is equal to, we know that the given matrix is some scalar. Here 1 by 3 considered as a scalar. 1 by 3 into the given matrix. So 1 by 3 into given matrix. Let me multiply 1 by 3 inside the matrix. We get 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3. Minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3. We know the given result from the textbook, that we know that adjoint of A, adjoint of, here the scalar is there 1 by 3, so it's a scalar. So adjoint of lambda into A, where lambda denotes the scalar, can be written as is equal to lambda power n minus 1 into edge of A. So here this lambda is taken to be is equal to, here lambda is equal to 1 by 3. and n is the order of the matrix, which is equal to 2. Now we apply this property here. So taking this property, we get edge of A. Edge of A can be written as is equal to 1 by 3 power, this is lambda whole power n minus 1, 3 minus 1 into edge of A. That is 1 by 9 into adjoint of the given matrix. So this edge of A, shortcut method, 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 2, next 1, minus 2 and 2. So what is the procedure? We repeat the first two columns, minus 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 2. Now take the first two rows, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, minus 2, 1, 2, minus 2 and 1. So next step, we are going to strike out first row, first column, and therefore simplify column wise. So when we simplify, what we get? 2 minus of 2 into 2, 4. So 2 minus 4, so we get 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So this is equal to 1 by 9. First element is 6. Next, 2 in minus 2 into 1 gives us minus 2, minus of 2 into 2. So we get minus 2, minus 4 is equal to minus 6. Next, 2 into 2 gives us 4, 4 minus of 1 into 1. So 4 minus 2 gives us is equal to 4 minus 1 gives us is equal to 3. So we get 3. So simplify column wise, write it row wise. Next step, we go to the next two columns. Repeat the process. 2 into 1 gives us 2 minus of 2 into minus 2. So 2 minus of minus 4 gives us 6. Next element, 2 into 2 gives us 4. 4 minus 1 gives us 3. Next element, 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 into 2, 4 gives us minus 6. Next step, take the last two columns, 2 into minus 2 gives us minus 2 into minus 2 gives us plus 4 minus 1. So gives us 3. Next, 1 into 2 gives us 2 minus of 2 into minus 2. So gives us 2 minus minus 2. So 2 minus of minus 4 gives us plus 4, which is 6. Next, 2 into 1 is equal to 2 minus of minus 2 into 2 gives us minus 4. So we get is equal to 6. So this is the joint of A. Next, this is equal to what is common inside the matrix? We know that 3 is common. Take out 3 by 9 into the matrix. 2 minus 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 2. Now, edge of A. What is edge of A? Edge of A is 1 by 3 times of the x. So, we have completed the first sum. Thank you. Subscribe the channel and to get notification of the upcoming videos, click the bell icon. Thank you.